Another earning app na naman ang share ko sa inyo via CryptoShark. So shout out to my community. Here's my YouTube channel. So please share, subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, for today's video, pag-usapan natin itong tier low. Get the training and start in 3 minutes from every new user gets plus 3% the rate below. So tignan nyo naman, guys. Okay, so our rate is 81.45 USD. No? And then ang market rate lang is 7.40 USD LTC. So may profit tayo na 11.05 USD or 60% profit from each Litecoin you sell, mga bro. So ganun lang kadali. And then para makapag-sign up kayo dito is mag-register lang kayo dito sa dashboard.tirlo.com, login and register your email address. So after you register, just log in your account. Okay, so log in kasi nakapag-register na tayo. Ayan. Okay, so after login, you will see your dashboard. So make a trade, join to VIP club. So become a partner and get VIP rates. For those users who are with us for a long time and we want to earn more, we have developed a VIP program. The goal of the VIP program is to give you the opportunity to earn benefits for VIP customer, opportunity to earn more. Extra rate depends on amounts, technical insight, and guides, personal support manager. So, yung condition nila of the VIP program is to join the VIP club, you must make more than $500 in total orders for the calendar week. So, place order via dashboard or log in but through the main site and reach the 500 turnover mark. Okay, so market trade. For example, you have a PayPal, no? So, put natin dito yung PayPal natin. Ayan. So, same Gmail on my PayPal. And then coupon if you have coupon, and then I agree, and then for example 1, and then you get 81.39. so your profit is 11.04. Okay, so sell LTC. So this pop-up will appear, exchange information, please send exact amount of LTC using your Binance or Bitget, guys. So if you don't have Binance, so meron ditong way para mag-create kayo ng Binance, no? So how to start via Binance Tier Low. So how to register on Binance and verify your account. So napakadali lang. So go to register, ayan. And then after that, use your email, password, create account. Verify your account using your valid ID. And then, ayan, makikita nyo dyan. Select Enterprise Verification and click Verify. So how to buy USDT in P2P. So you will click P2P order on your spot. Ayan, P2P order. And then express. Select merchant. Okay, halimbawa, bibili tayo ng worth 1,000 PHP gamit ang GCash natin. So 19.72 ang makukuha nating USDT. For example lang naman to, guys. Confirm your purchase by clicking the confirm purchase. Ayan, so pag na-confirm na natin siya, maglalabas na yan katulad nito, parang sa merchant. And then ipuput nyo dito dapat yung inyong GCash number. Okay? And then after you put your GCash number, magsisend na tayo ng ating 1,000 PHP para ma-release na nila yung inyong USD na binibili. Okay? You can see the seller's payment method in this circle image. Ito yung number, guys. Yung naka-circle na yan. Number yan ng merchant. So, dyan natin is-send yung GCash na 1,000. So, ganun bumili ng USD. So, once na meron na tayong USD, guys, so, ayan, nakapag-send na siya. Itong screenshot na to, isi-send natin sa merchant. So, tignan natin dito, Meron ditong, ayan, share button, yung plus na yan, guys. Plus button, no? Yung screenshot, dyan natin isi-send yung screenshot ng GCash. Okay, so after natin makabili ng USD, syempre, meron tayong 19.3, ayan, for example, and bibili tayo dyan ng Litecoin. Okay, choose Classic in the drop-down menu and trade Classic. And then we will buy Litecoin. So LTC, type LTC. Okay, so after ng LTC, ayan, so market, no? Wag na kayong limit. So market, and then imamax nyo yan, guys, and then buy LTC. So pag meron na kayong LTC, now you can see it in your fiat and spot account. So once na meron na tayong LTC, pwede na natin yang ipadala or i-withdraw papunta dito sa ating exchange, no? Ika-copy natin to, guys. Ayan, ika-copy natin to. So, ika-copy natin yan. And then, dito sa may withdraw, Ayan, your LTC amount here, you will get PayPal email address. Ayan. Itong, ano to? So, first you must go to this website and you put your desired amount of LTC. You will see the equivalent. Your LTC, hindi pala to, no? So, dito pa lang. So, pag na-withdraw natin yon, dito natin ipapadala pala. Ayan, ipapadala natin dito sa address na to. So, we need to withdraw and then send the LTC sa address na to. Okay? And then, makikita nyo na yung LTC nyo dito sa website. Saka kayo pupunta rito para mag-sell. Okay? Sa actptrilio.com. Click Start Exchange. Okay? Ayan, Start Exchange. Okay? Ayan, enter amount ng LTC. So, make sure, kapag napasa na yung LTC, okay? So, after that, necessary information will appear and then will be your reference to transfer LTC as you have to send the amount of LTC posted. Okay, so ganyan. Ito kasi iba na pero ito yung bago ngayon, no? Ito yung pinakabago ngayon. So, lagay natin ulit. Okay, ito yung bago and dito sa guide is old yan, luma yan. So, ito yung bago nyong address. Ayan, ito yung bagong address na isi-send nyo pag nag-withdraw kayo sa Binance. Okay? So, huwag kayo malilito. Ayan, so withdraw. Okay, withdraw yan. Magwi-withdraw tayo. So, ilalagay natin yung address na yan na kinopy natin dito. Ito. Okay, ayan. So, ilalagay natin dyan. Select LTC. Okay, and then withdraw. Siyempre, meron yung konting gas fee. So, ganun lang kadali. No, once na ma-receive mo na yan, ayan, pwede na kayo mag-withdraw and then mag-cash out sa PayPal agad-agad, guys. Okay? So, magbibenta lang kayo ng Litecoin. So, meron na kayong $13.57 profit sa 1 LTC na 81.18 USD ang halaga, guys. Okay, so ganun lang kadali. Okay, kung may natutunan na naman kayo dito sa ating channel na Crypto Shark, subscribe na kayo and then follow nyo na rin tayo sa ating mga social. So again, Crypto Shark, guys, maraming salamat po.